You don't need to be the loudest in the room to tell a powerful story. If you've ever come home from a wedding feeling completely drained and wondered if this career is actually for you, I'm with you. I get it. I've been there. And stick around to the end. I'm going to share one mindset shift that helped me go from overwhelmed to confident. And maybe it'll unlock something for you. So who's this for? If you're the kind of person who feels more at home, kind of behind the scenes, behind the camera, than in front of it, in the spotlight, this might be for you. Weddings, they're a wild mix of everything. Technical skill, emotional intelligence, and you gotta be able to handle all the chaos that goes with it. It's a lot of that. Here's how that works for me. Prepare like a pro. I love spontaneity, but I'm all about preparation. I scout venues ahead of time, help couples plan their timeline for the wedding day weeks in advance to make sure things flow and that we have enough time to get everything done that we need to, so we're not feeling rushed. And in this timeline, I build in strategic little buffers of time, whether it's 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5, 10 minutes, whatever it may be. And that little bit of time is for moving around, getting to the next scene, resetting, freshening up, whatever it may be. And I use that little bit of time to quickly recharge, reset my brain, that sort of thing. A good example of that is the ceremony. So whatever we're doing before the ceremony, whether it's prep, first looks, all that kind of thing, I always arrive to the ceremony 30 minutes early. I want to be there before anyone gets there, no guests. I can get nice clean shots. But it also serves as a perfect time for me to reset my gear, check out the ceremony lighting, all that kind of fun stuff. And these little pockets of time are all I really need to just catch my breath and come back fresh and be ready to rock. When I first started shooting weddings, my family, they had a good laugh. Not because they didn't believe in me, but because they knew me. Like, Vaughn? Weddings? Really? Like, with people? All day? Here's the thing. It worked. And it worked because I stopped trying to be someone else. And I built a process that fits for me. It turns out there's a lot of wedding photographers that are introverts, and they're crushing it. I think it might be because we observe, we feel, we wait. And then when something happens, we're ready. We're not chasing the spotlight. We're observing the people in it and telling it in our own creative way. We tend to notice the quiet things, like a mother watching through the window from a distance as her daughter's getting ready on her wedding day. Or maybe you've got some siblings who are kind of just off on their own, waiting for all the boring photo stuff to be over with. They're just kind of having fun together. That's the good stuff. You don't need to shout to be in charge. For me, I speak calmly, I take my time, and I always look like I'm in control, even when things get hectic. I mean, at least I try to. And that vibe spreads. People respond to presence, not volume. You don't need to be loud to lead. You just need a presence that lets your clients know that you've got this, because you do. You got this. In the beginning, your first few weddings, introvert or not, you're gonna feel overwhelmed. But the more you show up as yourself, the easier it gets. If you're an introvert thinking about wedding photography, you absolutely can do it. You don't suddenly have to become louder. Just become more you. That's it.